Welcome to the Salesforce Relationship Building video. In this video, we'll explore how to build relationships within Salesforce. The benefits of this functionality include having a complete view of the client relationship and allows for aggregation of personal and business account balances. There are some relationship key terms to discuss before we continue. The first is the primary officer. For this purpose only, the primary officer is defined as the officer who starts and initiates the sales relationship in Salesforce. A sales relationship is a complete view of the client's relationship across the bank. Sales relationship does not reassign the client or the management of the client in the core system or in any other system. A relationship may contain both personal and business accounts. A client record can only be in one relationship, and a relationship must contain two or more client records. Last, the central client. Each sales relationship must have one designated central client. It is generally the customer that has the most engagement, connections across the accounts in the relationship. The most connected is likely a combination of the following: a borrower, non-titled signer, guarantor, beneficial owner, and so on. Even though clients may not be connected by social security number, tax ID, or address or other identifiers, parts of their relationship are managed by multiple officers in the same or different departments of the bank. Now let's go look at these screens in Salesforce. On the Salesforce screen, a new navigation bar will be added to the top called Sales Relationship. Then click New to create a new sales relationship. There are two record types to select from to create a relationship. Select Sales Relationship and click Continue. This screen, New Sales Relationship, collects all information about the client prospect's contact records and relationship officers when building the relationship. Use the lookup tool to ensure you're identifying the right client records and the right contact records. To build a relationship, at least two clients need to be selected. Then add any relationship officer information and click Save. The sales relationship will now display. Once it displays, click Refresh to have the deposit and loan balance information populate on the screen. This only needs to be done the first time. As you can see, there are several sections to share information about the sales relationship. The Details section includes the sales relationship name and central customer, the relationship type, and so on. The relationship officers are the keyed-in officer at the time of setup on the relationship. These can be updated anytime. The fourth category is the relationship statistics. It shows counts of how many clients or prospects are tied into this relationship, and the total relationship deposit balance, loan balance, and loan commitment. Further down, the relationship members are the client prospect records that have been grouped together into this relationship. Leveraging the buttons of Move Client Prospects, Remove Client Prospects, and Set a Central Customer are used to manage the relationship. Now looking at this example, a relationship is going to be created with CityServe Arizona and Amanda LLC. When Amanda LLC was selected, a message occurs on the screen. The transfer request. A request to transfer this record would be sent to the relationship owner that this client record is already a part of. Looking at the relationship details, at the bottom of the screen is the sales relationship request. There you can track the status of the relationship requests. The relationship owner receives an email requesting their approval for the client prospect transfer to a different relationship. The relationships built in Salesforce help see a customer view, but it does not replace any activities that should be logged on the client records. For businesses with multiple entities, continue to log your activities on the parent client record. Next step, begin creating sales relationships. If a sales relationship has been created, add yourself as an officer in the appropriate field. If you have questions, please contact Salesforce at nbarizona.com.